So here I am doing the Ryobi jig. I'm gonna be using the rigid cordless router. This thing came with the bit, it's the right size, and I just had to set the depth by putting it in this. Turns out it was the shallowest side that I needed to put it in to make it match the depth. And it's really quite simple. It's going to be an unofficial review, I guess, informal review, just because I don't think there's enough of them out there. I took this and used a T-square to make those marks, and now I'm just sort of averaging, getting it centered as best I can. I'm going to press down on this and tighten it. Yep, looking good. So there's the line, and gosh, it's so easy once you get this clamped into place. I bet you I can just do it one-handed. I'm going to turn this on and just set it right in there. You can't go wrong. As long as it's, I suppose as long as it's clamped down hard enough, there's really no way you can make a mistake. There you have it, piece of cake. Take it off, and try my, of course the size of the bit is determined by the hinge, I suppose. Give me just a second to open it up. So there, I opened it up. You can see the depth is good, it's just slightly below it. And that's all there is to it. Piece of cake.